Okay, students, we are discussing about three-dimensional set, and then you must have gone through the previous video and got the conception about three-dimensional sets. You know, the solid will have three dimension: length, breadth, and volume. Height. So length, breadth, height, all the objects are having. They are the three-dimensional solids, and we have discussed about various aspects of three-dimensional solid. Now it's time to discuss about the exercises given in your book that I will be talk to. Now, first of all, question exercise 7, page number G60 we will undertake. First question, I will just say you identify the true statement. Here the basic conception about the 3D object will be covered. Just see, a cube has 6 faces. Of course, a cube has 6 faces. You know, Ludo dice will have 6 faces or so. So you know that I have discussed. This is a basic of 3D object. Cuboid had 8 vertices. A cube or cuboid will have 6 faces, 8 vertices, or 8 corner you can say, and there will be 12 edges. So that you know. So these two are true statement. Now cylinder has one vertex. Cylinder doesn't have any corner. Cylinder will have only 2 flat surface and 1 curved surface. It will have 3 faces, 1 curved face and 2 plane face. But it will not have any corner, any vertex. Could you understand? Any corner or vertex or any? It will have edges, 2 edges. That is, 2 round edges will be there. Okay, cylinder. So it has got no vertex. So it is a false statement. Sphere has 2 edges. Sphere will not have any edge. Do a sphere have got any edge you are finding? It's a sphere. Example, ball. Does it have any edge? No. It has got only one round surface, curved surface. Nothing else. Okay. Now no vertex, no flat surface. Could you understand? Now the number of faces of a triangular prism is 1 less than the number of faces of a square prism. Of course, the triangular prism base will be in triangle, so it will have 1 face there and 3 faces, side faces, 3 or plus 1, 4 triangular prism will have. Whereas number of faces for the square prism, a base will be having 1 face, and it will definitely have 4 corners, so 4 faces it will have. So 4 triangular side faces will be there. So 4 plus 1, 5, and in case of triangular prism it will be 3 plus 1, 4. So it is true statement. Now pentagonal prism has 10 vertices. Pentagonal prism will have 10 vertices because pentagon has prism means 5 in the bottom surface and 5 on the top surface. You will have 10 vertices, 5 plus 5. So it's a correct statement, true statement. Hexagonal prism had 8 edges. Hexagonal means 6 edges. It says 6 edge at the bottom, 6 edge at the top, and then then all say again another 6 will be side faces edges. So 18, 6 3s are 18 edges. It's correct. Now heptagonal prism has 16 vertices. No heptagonal prism will have 14 vertices. You just count. See, prism heptagon means 7 plus 7, 14 vertices it will have. Triangular pyramid has 4 vertices. It's true statement because triangle it will have 3, and then on top all the pyramid will be drawn into a common vertex on the top. So that is included 4. So it is a true statement. So number 1 is true, 2 is true, 5 is true, 6 is true, 7 is true, and then 9th one we got true. Now number of faces of a rectangular pyramid is equal to the number of faces of the rectangular prism. No, rectangular pyramid will not have the same faces because it will have less number of faces, because prism the front face, the bottom and the top should be the polygon. So in case of it is regular rectangle shape it will be. So it will be for rectangular pyramid will have 5 faces, whereas rectangular prism will have 6 faces. It will be more. Prism, in case of prism, faces will be more because the top one is also a face there. But in case of pyramid it will be drawn into a point, so it will not have a face. So top face will not be there for a pyramid. Now pentagonal prism has got 10 edges while the pentagonal pyramid has 15 edges. No, it is just reverse. Pentagonal prism will have 15 edges and pentagonal pyramid will have 10 edges. Could you understand? The number of vertices of a cube, cuboid and square prism are the same. Cube, cuboid and square, the vertices will be same only. Square prism will be same only. That will be 8 vertices each. Okay, now I will be doing some of the maths the following. See, if you have got the conception and if you go through that page, page number G57, there the chart is given to you, characteristics of the solid figure. It is given to you how many, all the solids will be how many edges, how many vertices and how many faces, how many face, edge and vertices will be given to you. And Euler's theorem, I will tell you, there is something called Euler's theorem that every solid will prove it. Euler's theorem, you will be learning in class 8. A plus B minus E always will be 2 for the solid. Face, vertex and edge. If you add face and vertex and subtract from edge, you will find always 2. That is Euler's theorem. So you learn that G57 page number. Otherwise also, if you have got the conception about the pyramid and prism, you can count very nicely how many edges are there, how many faces are there, and how many corners are there. So let us talk on this as the question number 2. Name the solid is given to you to the left hand side, right hand side is given to you number of faces. You have to match. See, cuboid will have how many faces? You know the cuboid has got how many faces? 6 faces. So one will be matching with one will be matching with E. It will be matching with E. Now second one will be matching. See, square pyramid. Square pyramid will be definitely having 5 faces. Square means pyramid. So base is a square and another, as it is having 4 vertex and the base, then it will be drawn into one common vertex. So it will have 4 triangular, that one. So 4 plus 1, 5, it will be matching with F. Okay. Now triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid, base is a triangle and then it will be drawn into that. So it will be having 1 plus 3, 4. So third one will be matching with G. Third one will be matching with G. And then fourth one, it is said to you pentagonal prism. Pentagon. Bottom it is a pentagon and top it is a pentagon having 5 vertices. So it will be how many faces? 1 plus 1, 2 and then 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So it will be matching with D. So fourth one will be matching with D. Then fifth one will be matching with fifth one is what? Fifth one is hexagonal prism. Hexagon means 6. 6 vertices. So 6 prism. So 6 plus 6, 12. That means 2 and then plus 6, 8 it will be. So it will be matching with C only. It will be matching with C only. And this will be a heptagonal prism. Heptagonal prism will be 2, that is heptagon, having 7 vertices and 7 side faces. 7 plus 2, 9, which is having 9. Of course, option B. Option B will be, 6th one will be option B. And then 7th one will be what? The remaining is what? Option that is 10, because octagonal prism. Octagonal prism means 8 side faces and one top, one bottom, that is 10. So it will be matching with A. So I hope you have understood this. If you have the conception about how many faces, how many edges, then you can easily solve it. Now I will move on to question number 3. It is again match the following. The sum of the solids given to you to the left hand side and right hand side is faces. It is not faces. I think it is edges. It is edges. Number of edges. Okay, number of edges. Cube. Definitely, how many edges it will be? 12 edges. No, cube will be matching with first one will be matching with 12. that is what? E. Now second one will be matching with pentagonal prism. How many? It will be matching. Pentagon is 5, then top 5 and then side 5. 3 5 is 15, so it will be with F. Now next one is triangular pyramid. Pyramid triangle. The base is having the 3 edge, and then it will be drawn into 3 edge. 3 plus 3 is 6. So it will be matching with A. Third one will be matching with A. Will be matching with A. Okay. Now fourth one will be matching with what? Fourth one you see hexagonal prism. Hexagonal prism will be matching with hexagon. Hexagon means 6. So 6 corner there, and then on top also 6. I mean 6 edges there. On top surface also 6 edges, and side also. So it will be matching with 18. So it will be with the G. Then fifth one will be matching with what? Let's just see triangular prism once again. Triangle means there are 3 on top 3. 3 is 6 plus 3 9. So 9 is 1. 5 will be matching with C. Now 6 will be matching with what? 6 rectangular pyramid. Rectangular pyramid will be matching with B, A, because pyramid rectangle top has got 4 edges, and then it will be drawn into 4 plus 4 8 only. So it will become 8 only. That is option B. This is C. This one is B. Then seventh one will be pentagonal pyramid. Pentagonal pyramid will be pentagon on the top means 5 edges, and then it will be drawn into the one single point. So it will be having 5 edges there. 5 plus 5 10, which is with D. I hope you have understood all these things, matching the thing. If you have got the conception, then you can very well do of your own. There is no problem. See, things are very simple. Now about the net, you can very well count out the net and all given in your book. These all things you can very well count out. How many net? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nets. Like this you can count it. So I will not do it. I will do question number 7 once. Find the dimension of each of the following figure in which the cube of the side is 1 centimeter. So every cube, this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. This is 1 by 1 centimeter cube. So you have to find out the dimension, length, breadth and height. I have taken question number 2 and question number 6. See, I will tell you what is length. This is length. Length how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be having 6 centimeter, because it is having 6 centimeter. Breadth is how much? This is breadth. So this is 1. Only 1 breadth is there. 6 into 1. Now height is, you see, height is, only 1 only. So height only will be 1 only. So it will go with 6 into 1 into 1 centimeter. That will be the centimeter cube. It should be. Actually, you are supposed to write down 6 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. I hope you have got it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is breadth, and this is your height. This is your height. You got it, no? So this is it. Now here in this case, you see, length will be how much? 1, 2, 3. Length is 3 centimeter into breadth is 2 centimeter into how many height will be? 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter. Could you understand? So you can very well count and find it out, the dimension. Hope things are very simple. You just solve it.